I learned the sound of empty rooms, how silence weighs more than words. Every promise left too soon is a scar the heart remembers. I smile like nothing ever broke, but inside nights don't end. I breathe, I walk, I joke, just to prove I'm still a man. There's a quiet kind of bleeding, no one sees, no one tends, when hope keeps softly pleading for a hand that never bends. I'm alone, but still I'm reaching, with a soul that's torn and sore. It's been bruised by all the leaving, still it's knocking at your door. I don't need to be forgiven, I don't need to be made whole. I just need someone to listen when my heart begs to be held. I've worn love like borrowed skin, never sure it fit me right. Every time I let you in, you taught me new ways to hide. I prayed to walls that didn't care, slept beside my fear instead. Loneliness becomes a chair where I rest my tired head. There's a hunger in my breathing, in the space between my bones. Even broken, I'm still believing someone hears me when I moan. I'm alone, but still I'm reaching, with a soul that's torn and sore. It's been bruised by all the leaving, still it's knocking at your door. I don't ask for perfect timing, or a love that never falls, just a name worth softly crying in the echo of these walls. If you see me standing quiet, please don't think I've nothing left. Some of us survived the riot just to wait for something real. I am bleeding, yes it's true, but my heart still dares to try. Even shattered, it wants you. Even dying, it has silence, let our lonely hearts be when the night forgets my name. and the stars refuse to stay. I'll still love despite the pain, 'cause even broken souls still ache to be loved someday.